This video will walk you through how to properly assemble the Brute tilt truck lid and organization accessories. Use the Ergo Handle instruction sheet alongside this video to aid in part identification. You will need the following parts and tools for assembly. Step 1. Using a 9/16" socket wrench, remove the 4 self-locking jam nuts from the original handle. Step 2. While keeping the bolts and reinforcement plates in place, remove the handle from the tilt truck. Step 3. Align the Ergo handle with the 4 carriage bolts and allow the bolts to go through the mounting holes on the handle. Step 4. Reuse the original 4 nuts by loosely screwing them onto the 4 carriage bolts by hand. Step 5. Using the 9/16" socket wrench, fully tighten locking nuts. Step 6. Place the organization caddy on the Ergo handle. Step 7. Insert the 2 quick clip holders into the slot provided on each side of the caddy. Step 1. Place the domed lid squarely on top of the tilt truck, positioning the workstation on the handle end of the truck. Step 2. To secure the lid, hook the metal latch under the cart lip. Then pull the Brute plastic latch upright to lock it in place. Ensure all 4 latches are locked. For all roto-molded tilt trucks, use the built-in hooks to hang the bag over the rim of the truck so that it rests evenly on either side of the handle. Next, place the tilt truck in the tilted position. Loop the built-in strap from the bottom of the bag onto the frame and thread the strap through the ladder lock buckle. Tighten as needed. For all structural foam tilt trucks, attach the bag by inserting the built-in hooks into the slots along the tilt truck's rim so that it hangs securely beneath the handle. Next, place the tilt truck in the tilted position. Loop the built-in strap from the bottom of the bag onto the handle located underneath the tilt truck and thread the strap through the ladder lock buckle. Tighten as needed. Installations complete. Learn more at rubbermadecommercial.com.